Marfan syndrome is an autosomal dominant disorder of connective tissue which affects multiple systems include cardiovascular system, skeletal system, and eyes. This disorder happens to be in 1 upon 5,000 live births. Basically, it's a mutation in FBN1 gene on chromosome number 15, which encodes a special type of protein called fibrillin 1. Let's see major abnormalities. Skeletal abnormalities, ocular senses, and cardiovascular lesions. Now start with skeletal abnormalities. These patients tend to be very tall in nature. They may be long-headed. They may have arachnodactyly, in other words, long thin fingers. They tend to be hyperextensible joints. Like this patient can touch their thumb to their wrist. They may have high ox palate. They also have scoliosis, kyphosis, or slipping of the vertebra, and they may have pectus excavatum. Now let's see ocular senses. They have ectopia lentis, which is a dislocation of the lenses. There one more condition where we can see dislocation of the lenses called homocystinuria. But how to differentiate dislocation of lenses in Marfan syndrome from dislocation of lenses in homocystinuria? Here one clever trick is, in Marfan syndrome, the lenses will dislocate out and up, whereas in homocystinuria, the lenses will be dislocated down and in. They also have myopia. Let's move on to cardiovascular lesion, and this can be life-threatening. Cardiovascular symptoms are a main cause of morbidity and mortality in this patient, and there is degeneration of tunica media of the vessel walls. This can cause a dilated incompetent aortic root with valvular incompetence, and thus they can get aortic recurrence, and they may have developed aneurysm in aorta, may dissect or rupture. So we need to monitor this patient by echocardiography on regular basis. So we need to put this patient on a special drug called propranolol to prevent them from developing these aortic root problems. So to make the diagnosis, we use a special criteria called 2010 revised Kent criteria. In the absence of family history, 4 rules are used. First rule, when the aortic root dilation Z score more than or equal to 2 and the same time individual have ectopia lentis, this case diagnosed as Marfan syndrome. And second rule, when the aortic root dilation Z score more than or equal to 2 and the same time individual also have FBN1 gene mutation, this case also diagnosed as Marfan syndrome. Third rule, aortic root dilation Z score more than or equal to 2 and the same time systemic score is more than or equal to 7 points, this case also diagnosed as Marfan syndrome. And the fourth rule, when the individual have ectopia lentis and FBN1 gene mutation associated with aortic dissection, this case also diagnosed as Marfan syndrome. And when individual gives family history, other 3 rules are used to diagnose Marfan syndrome. First rule, when the individual have ectopia lentis and presence of family history of Marfan syndrome, this case may be diagnosed as Marfan syndrome. When the systemic score more than or equal to 7 points and family history of Marfan syndrome, this case may be diagnosed as Marfan syndrome. And third rule, when the individual have aortic root dilation Z score or more than or equal to 2 and the above 20 years old and more than or equal to 3 below the 20 years old, plus family history of Marfan syndrome, this case also diagnosed as Marfan syndrome. Come to the management and treatment. Here is no treatment of Marfan syndrome. However, treatments are available to reduce or prevent other complications which caused by Marfan syndrome. Dilation of ascending aorta or ascending aortic aneurysm may be a big problem from individuals with Marfan syndrome. Here, medication can be used to slow the rate of such aortic dilation. For example, beta blockers can reduce the rate of aortic dilation. In case of aortic dissection, surgery may be recommended. In Marfan syndrome, individuals may also have problem in their vertebrae. If the case is severe, surgery may be required. Also, they have problem in eyes. Glasses or contact lenses may be used to correct those problems. Thank you.